If you are using an HDD in 2025, let me ask you, are you okay? Do you need help? Blink twice if you are trapped in 2008. Because let's be honest, choosing between an SSD and HDD is like deciding between a Tesla and a horse-drawn carriage. Both technically get you from point A to B, but one is clearly stuck in the past, while the other one is probably spying on you. So here's the deal. SSDs, solid state drives, and HDDs, hard disk drives, both store your data, but the way they do it is like night and day. HDDs have spinning magnetic disks, literally moving parts, like an old school record player, except instead of playing sick beat, it's playing please don't fail on me today. SSDs on the other hand use flash memory, meaning no moving parts, just straight up high speed wizardry. It's like comparing an old VHS tape to a Netflix stream. One is slow and clunky, the other just works unless your Wi-Fi dies. A typical HDD runs at 5400 or 7200 RPM, meaning it's basically just spinning in circles, hoping for the best. Meanwhile, SSDs, they are like the flash on Red Bull with speeds up to 50 times faster. That means your PC boots up in seconds instead of giving you time to make coffee, check your phone, and question your life choices. And reliability? Yes, HDDs tend to fail a lot faster because, surprise, tiny moving parts don't age well. Meanwhile, SSDs having no moving parts, meaning they last longer and don't make terrifying clicking noises when they are about to die. HDD users would know what I am talking about. So why are HDDs still around? Simple. Storage capacity and price. HDDs can pack way more terabytes for way less money. If you are hoarding 4K movies like a digital dragon, sure, HDDs make sense. But if you actually want to use your PC without feeling like you are in slow motion, SSDs are the way to go. Also, fun fact, the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series both switched to SSDs because even gaming consoles know HDDs are the past. Rest in peace, loading screens. You won't be missed. HDDs are the dinosaurs of storage, big, slow and clunky. SSDs are the future, fast, efficient, slightly overpriced. But then you are paying for the speed. And in a world where we want everything yesterday, that's a pretty solid deal. Now, if you are still using an HDD, don't worry, I won't judge. But also, I totally will. That's it. That's the tweet and that's the video. Like, subscribe, and for the love of tech, upgrade to an SSD. See you in the next one.